In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a custom timeframe on your TradingView chart. The ability to create custom timeframes can offer you a unique perspective on market data, tailoring your chart analysis to fit your specific trading strategy. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your chart on TradingView. Simply navigate to the TradingView website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the chart section. It's often the starting point for any analysis, and you'll find it prominently displayed on the home page. While there, you can search for the particular stock or cryptocurrency you want to analyze by using the search bar at the top. Once you have your chart up, take a look at the top of your screen. You should see multiple buttons lined up, including one labeled Time Frame, or perhaps with an icon resembling a clock. This button is your gateway to accessing and altering the time frame of your chart. Go ahead and click on it. A list of standard timeframes will drop down, including options like 1 minute, 5 minutes, daily, weekly, and so forth. These are the default settings mostly used for broad analysis. However, if you have a specific time frame in mind that isn't on this default list, TradingView allows for customization. To add a custom interval, look for an option that lets you add custom interval or something similar, depending on your language settings. Clicking this button opens a new window where you can specify the exact time frame you're interested in. You can enter minutes, hours, days, whatever suits your needs. In this window, you can type in the exact number you have in mind. For example, if you're looking for a 45-minute chart and it isn't available in the drop-down options, simply type 45 and select minutes. This feature provides you the flexibility to track price movements over your preferred period, enhancing your ability to apply unique strategies or to catch specific price patterns that aren't visible on standard time frames. After you've set up your desired custom interval, it will be saved in your available options, making it easily accessible for future use. This means the next time you log in, you won't have to go through the setup process all over again. And there you have it. You've just set up a custom time frame on your TradingView chart. With this, you can conduct an even more refined analysis tailored to your trading or investing style. Remember, the key to successful trading is often in the details, and having that level of customization can offer you insights that others might miss. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy trading.